Hello everybody. Hey, I want you to take 10 minutes and grab yourself a cup of coffee here and watch this video. Hopefully you can find something entertaining, informational, and maybe enlightening. Well, good morning guys. Hey, I got a knife. Hang on, I gotta get a knife. This came off my wish list on Amazon. I bought it myself because I do buy stuff off my wish list for myself because that's where I just put the stuff that I want to buy and I want to try out. And this here is for the Jeep. Oh man, try to open it a little better than my buddy Charlie does. You remember Charlie? Okay, so let's see what we got. What these are, it's kind of, Jeeps are missing a few things. And what these are is wild boar grab handles. Here, show you what they are. That's pretty simple. These supposedly bolt right up in the old Jeep. When you get in there, you got something to grab a hold of. Reach in there and pull yourself up. A little short woman there, she has a little trouble. So we're going to mount these up. Hopefully it's got constructions because I might need them on this to put the right bolt in the right place. Well, let's see what it's got in the box. It's got this, two of these, and it's like I said, it's from Wild Boar. Is the name of this, but the person, I don't know how, I came off of Amazon, but let me see if I hold this up to you. You can, I don't know how to say that with a Q in it. I don't do Q words very well. Can you see that right there? That's the product right there, I guess. Pretty easy. It says unscrew bolts, puts bolts back in. That's what it says, more or less. All right, let's open these up. These are the bolts. Naturally, you're going to need longer ones than that's in the RV, in the Jeep. And then you got the spacers here. So you got bolts, you got spacers, you got constructions. Hold that thought. Sorry about that, but I just poured concrete out there and I heard some dog barking. That's all I need. Is some dog running through my fresh concrete. No, he's across the fence. So anyway, we got spacers here, and it looks like I guess you got to figure out which one goes where. But you got these two spacers and these two spacers. So it's probably just a matter of which one fits where. It doesn't really show where. Constructions. Let's see. No, it does. Yeah, it does. All right. So the long ones, you got short ones and long ones. I just opened that. You got short ones and long ones. Looks like the short one goes here, like so. Let me put a bolt in it. The bolts are different too. Okay. So the short one is going to go up here, like so. Oh. Got it backwards. See, they're concave too, so they wrap around there. That's kind of cool. Then the long one, it goes down here, and these are recessed, so there's a right and a left. I'll bet you on that. That goes through there. This goes through here. Then you just take the bolts that are already in your rig, and you replace them with these. Pretty simple. I think first off we're going to need some wrenches. So I might set you up and let you watch how to do that. One of them anyway. But that's one. We'll put the other together and figure out which side they go on. And then I'll get the camera over there, moved over there, and show you how to take it apart. Pretty simple, it looks like to me. I've never said that before, that it didn't bite me in the butt. Okay. Ta-da! Let's go over there. Well, let's see if we can see that in there. Get some light on it. See there? Oh, there you go. There's one of the bolts right there. Got to take that one out. Then you got one up here. Let me see if we can. I have a hard time seeing that because I've, you know, can't get behind the camera. Let's see where it's at. Can we see it up there? There it is, right there. Okay, you see that there? That one you got to take out, and then you got to take out that one right in there also. So you got two spots to take those out. Now then, and that's what it looks like when it's done. But here's the problem. And it's not nothing to do with nobody's factory or nothing. It's me. I dropped a bolt. There's your two bolts you take out. And this is what it looks like when it's installed. And that's going to work great. We use these, but they're kind of back there. Them are good for going down the road maybe. But, I don't know, did I show you? Did you see that? I don't know. Yeah, I got those on there. But we got these now. But I dropped one of the bolts. And I can't find it nowhere. Yeah, it takes an Allen wrench. Well, you'll be able to figure that one out when you get the kit. And then it takes we got 13 to take them bolts out. But that's what it's going to look like when it's done if I can find the other bolt. I mean, you know, you guys, I'm sure I ain't the only ones that ever dropped the bolt, went straight to the ground and then ran off. But that's what it's going to look like. It's going to be great as soon as I find another bolt to do that side with. Well, I did find the bolt. And I wanted to show you how crooked that looks like that goes in. And I've took it out and I've tried to get it square and put it in there. But it seems like that is right, because it screws in. What I do is I'll use this thing right here. Hang on. And it does screw in there. Can you see it there? Yeah. It screws in. And I made sure on the other one by putting the other top one in and making sure that everything was lined up. Oops, there you go. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. So I put that in. I got that in loose. Now I'm going to put the top one in. And then I know they're going to be straight. But I did find the other bolt. Didn't have to go nowhere. That's excellent. It was naturally all the way on the other side of the shop somehow. All right, let's put this together. All right, we got all the bolts in, as you can see. You can see a little more than you need to. But there you go. So now that one started, that one started. These apparently go in on an angle. That one did over there too. So let's just tighten this up. Tighten, and then tight. Ain't going nowhere. No, no, no. If you ain't got one of these little handy things, they are very handy. And it has been woman approved. Vicki came out to help me hunt for my bolt. She tried it out. It worked. So we're going to give these a thumb up. Thumbs up. And now we're done with this video. This video is coming out of sync because maybe you're tired of looking at trip pictures. I don't know. But these are pretty handy. Wild boar. Why is that upside down? Oh, it ain't over there. All right. Them are going to work dandy. Thanks for watching, guys. You know what to do. See you later. Bye.